Okay, finally have been able to get this camera focused in on the indicator. I was trying to use its snap whatever thing on the phone, but it was kind of sort of the get smart cone of silence. Great idea, but it doesn't seem to work properly. Anyways, recording now, looking at the indicator, measuring the spindle runout on this new to me anyways, Habegger 102. Beautifully made Swiss lathe. The lathe, as it arrived, some bozo had completely buggered up the spindle assembly. Fortunately, I don't think they've damaged it, but I had no idea how it was supposed to be because I didn't take it apart, but as it turns out, they got the direction of the Belleville washers on the preload incorrect. Anyways, that's all been fixed. Really happy with the runout. This is a interrapid tense indicator and set in the spindle. You can see when I turn it, that needle is not even flickering. I mean, there's just not a quarter of a tenth. There's just nothing. Just to show that I haven't bottomed out the indicator or something, you can see there's the indicator is about halfway through its range, and there just isn't anything. That's just absolutely fantastic. Now if we take this indicator, before I do that, I did want to measure one more thing and put it here. Another test I like to do is how tight the bearing is. I mean, it's great to have no runout, but if you can move it around, and you can see if I apply pressure here, I'm pulling on that as hard as I can. Again, I'm not moving that needle a flicker. Same if I press down, nothing. So that spindle is just absolutely beautiful. Not bad for a lathe that was probably put into service in the 50s. Now the other test we want to do is to check spindle runout. So I'm going to position this so again I get it about halfway through the range. Okay, so there you can see I've got not bottoming out, lots of room, and again there's not a tenth on the spindle there runout. I can make it flicker by applying pressure, but you know, it's a tenth. And if I go this way, it's about half a tenth. That's a really rock solid spindle. Happy with that. Okay, back again. I've set up a 1/8 of an inch pin in the collet. One of the things that really attracted me to this lathe is it's the, well, I don't know if you want to call it rare, but I guess that's fair. It's somewhat rare 5C version of the 102. I think the Swiss called it a W31 point something. In any event, it just is really nice having that large collet capacity. And with the lathe came a really beautiful set of Harding collets by 64. So let's see what sort of runout we get with one of these. And again, you can see that revolution counter is about halfway through its range, and we're not seeing half a tenth flicker on that needle. It is just absolutely perfectly stable. You know, there you see I can readily move it, and there's just no runout on that. That is just amazing. These low-end collets talk about half a thou. Well, boy oh boy, that's a mile of runout compared to this. There's just nothing there. So I am very happy with that lathe. Going to figure out how to put a motor on it. Might put a little console motor on it just to have some fun with it. I do have to rebuild and scrape the slide rest, but encouraged with this headstock, I'll get on with it.